Are you thinking about shopping from tideandarti.com because of their eye-catching vintage styles and artistic fashion pieces? Before you click that Buy Now button, here's what you really need to know. Tideandarti.com claims to be a trendy online boutique offering women's clothing, accessories, and jewelry with a creative twist. But there are some serious concerns that raise doubts about how trustworthy this store really is. The site features appealing products, but many of the images are copied from other websites, which casts doubt on the originality and authenticity of what they're selling. On top of that, the website lacks basic transparency. There's no clear information about who owns the business or where it's actually located. Customer support also appears to be a major issue, with a non-functioning live chat and emails going unanswered. Reviews on the site feel overly scripted, and real customers outside the site have shared negative experiences ranging from delays to poor product quality. While it's possible that some people do receive their orders, the inconsistencies and red flags make this store a risky choice. If you're considering a purchase, think twice and make sure you've done your research first.